Winter is here with some holidays. If you're planning to get married this winter, you'll need a bridal shawl. A cute bridal shawl will keep you warm and toasty without ruining your style. But we know it is difficult to find a chic, cozy bridal shawl. In this case, we are here to help you. After researching, we've compiled some facts and recommendations about bridal shawls. So, without further ado, let's dive into the video and shop from our top picks. Wedding shawls are removable accessories that can be worn for warmth or modesty. It comes in various fabrics that suit all seasons and can be worn over the shoulders. For winter brides who don't mind braving the elements, warm and luxurious faux fur capelets and jackets are a stylish solution. A lightweight pashmina and breathable towel wrap are suitable for warmer weather brides. Silk or intricate lace shawl is sure to appeal to the traditional bride. No matter your bridal style, we've got you covered. There are many types of bridal shawls. Bridal shawl styles include semi-sheer pashminas, faux fur shrugs, beaded capelets, and lightweight wraps. Wrapping the bridal shawl around your shoulders and tying it at the back is one way to drape it around your shoulders. Put the ends of your pashmina around your shoulders, then tie them into a knot for a simple bolero. It'll give you a chic look instantly. Now, let's check out some bridal shawls that you can wear on your wedding day. Are you dreaming of wearing a cozy shawl on your wedding day? If so, this knit no Decrecite bridal shawl might be a great option. This is a 100% handmade shawl. The fabric is made of acrylic yarn and wool, so you'll stay warm even if you spend most of your wedding outside. Stylish and soft, this shawl is the perfect way to keep warm without sacrificing comfort. On the neck and sleeve areas, special stitching has been used for additional comfort and flexibility. With a double-sided satin ribbon, wrap it around your shoulders and tie a bow in the front. Select the ribbon color that best matches your choice and lift your wedding attire to the next level. Our next pick is BEAUTELICATE Faux Fur Shawl. It is made of soft knitting fabric with faux fur trim. While it is light, it will give you a feeling of warmth with a bit of luxury. The closure is made with a pair of hidden hooks. This is very convenient to wear when it's chilly out and at night. Additionally, it'll keep you toasty and safe. You can have it in multiple colors, and it is a perfect piece for any occasion. If you're looking for a silky pashmina shawl for your wedding dress, then look no further. This Vertock silky scarf pashmina shawl can be a great addition to your wedding attire. Made with polyester, this shawl is extremely soft, silky, and luxurious to wear with your wedding gown. This gift set is available in a variety of classic colors, so it can also be a perfect gift for your bridesmaids. This Elfjoy luxury bridal faux fur cashmere wool shawl is very cute and cozy for any bride. This shawl is made with a soft cashmere wool blend and artificial faux fur, which makes it very soft and warm. So you'll be able to keep yourself warm and cozy on winter days. Under this roomy wrap coat, you can wear thick sweaters. It is perfect for any occasion, winter and wedding ceremony. If you want something that'll keep you warm even in extremely cold weather, then this Effie Wedding Sleeveless Fur Wrap Shawl might be the right pick for your winter wedding. With a satin lining on the inside and a clasp, this faux fur shawl is made of superior artificial fur. Warm and elegant, this high-quality, extremely soft long shawl will keep you warm and stylish. The fur shawl wrap can be closed with a hidden hook, making it easy for you to fasten and stay. There is an adjustable brooch that can be adjusted for any styles or bigger sizes. It'll highlight your wedding gown with a chic appearance. For a luxurious and classic look, this 1920s fur shawl is perfect for your winter wedding, cold prom, or other special occasions. That is all about our suggestions on the best bridal shawls that you can choose to keep yourself warm on your big day. Thanks for watching. Like, comment, and share it with your friend if you find this video useful. Subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon for further updates.